In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Backbone controller to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Backbone controller on your iPhone. So first, ensure compatibility. Make sure that your iPhone model is compatible with the Backbone controller. For the most part, any iPhone model will work with the recent Backbone controller models, but you might want to check the port to be sure. So, once you ensure that the compatibility is good to go, usually by looking at the Lightning or USB port that you have available, you will have to go to the App Store and download the official Backbone application. It is through the latest version of the Backbone app where you will be able to manage all of the settings of the Backbone controller and also manage all of your games. So once this is done, open the application and follow the on-screen instructions. This will allow you to pair your controller with your iPhone. This usually involves enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone and searching for the controller or connecting it using the port that I mentioned, either the Lightning port or the USB port, depending on the iPhone model that you have. Once this is done and you plug in the controller, you will be good to go. You will be able to access a library of games, and you can even set stuff like the Xbox Game Pass. You will be able to do it all within the latest version of the Backbone application, and you can play on any screen. So customize the application to your own liking. You will be able to set up your account and be able to access all of your games directly through the Backbone application. And as long as your iPhone model is compatible, this is going to work flawlessly for any model that you have available. Everything will be done within the app, and it is super simple to set up by just following the on-screen instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Backbone controller to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.